Hey there, yes, it's Bart here from Bodjabart. It's been a wee while. I've been a bit busy doing other things, and it's a cold morning or cold afternoon here. So I'm in the garage with my beanie on, keep my head warm. I have my partner with me as well, as in Shelby. Here she is. She's come in and she's just going to snuggle on down there while we get in and do some things. Hey Shelby. I'm giving you an update on where we're at with the school project, the lawnmower, the racing lawnmower. I haven't done too much on it. Young Grace and I, we've been working trying to strengthen everything up. I've got to buy some parts yet. So I've got the back wheels, which have 4 studs to hold them on, and we've had to make back hubs. So here they are. We made these a couple of weeks ago. They're just like this here, and they fit inside there, like so. Bang, and there it is inside there. And what happens is now we have to drill the holes for the studs to go in to bolt the wheel on. And usually when I do this, I put it in, I mark with a marker, but I never seem to get it right, and it always looks a bit funny. So I'm trying something different. I've made this little wee I don't know, pin type thing, and hopefully I'll put it inside here. And with this in there, like so, in there, and then we put this in the drill press or a drill, and we run this down, and it should put it right in the middle. In theory, I hope. So we'll see if it works. But also what I have to make is another one similar, but with a little end on it so that I can put it in the one that I've drilled, and this won't turn around, so it'll be in the right place when I drill it. I'm hoping to do that. So I'm going to do that now. Make another one of those on the lathe. I've got it set up over there, so I will make another one with a hole in it. And then I'm going to make one with the pin sticking out. The same size as that drill bit. So we'll see how this will work. And there'll be an update. Then I'm also hoping, I'm going to see if I can take this out of here, because it doesn't fit my go-kart axles. Otherwise I have to buy another, I'll have to buy a rim. So these here, these are our go-kart axles, and the wheel, it doesn't fit. See, it won't fit. It's only got bushes. So what I'm going to do is cut that out, I hope, using that, which just go over there. But I've since discovered that this here, I'd need to make something to go up in there, and that doesn't go down anyway, so maybe that's not going to work. I could come from this side. I'm hoping I'll be able to go from this side and get right down. But our front hubs, which go in there, which are here, actually, that's not how that works. So. So these are our front hubs, and they have 3 bolts that go in there. So and of course they don't fit on there because of that. And so these go in here, like I think they go that way round. And see, they fit in there. Then that would go, and these wheels are the back ones. So we need to make something to fit in there and to hold these on. So whether we cut this middle piece out or we just buy a couple of rims, I'm not sure yet. I'll see. Oh, I'll cut myself. We need to try and save money as well. So if we can use stuff that we've already got, because I had these wheels already. I already had these. I got them from somewhere else, and they work out the perfect size for the back. Because the back ones have a similar thing as well, same as this. And you have to have, yeah, steel. They don't advise that, so you're better off having bolt-on wheels. So that's where we're going to get to, and hopefully get this done. You've got to have a steel hub. So that's what these are for the front, and that's for, the other ones are for the back. So we've got to cut a keyway in that one as well, yeah, a keyway. But these are all bits that take time. So what we'll do is we'll crack on. I'll move you over to the lathe so you can see what's going on and what we're up to. And so, right, we'll do that. Okie doke, we're back. We already have the hole in from last time, so all I have to do is get this bit down to a certain size. So it's on 0. Alright, now we need to measure how deep that is. Well, that's alright, it's over 11mm deep. So I need 7mm here and then part it off, and then I need another, then I have to make the other one with the little bit on the end, the little titty bit that we put on the end of it. Alright. Alright, we'll do that. So that has to get turned down to, we've got to turn that down to that measurement there, which is about 12.6. So just a little bit bigger. So we've got to remake one of these in case we need an extra one. So we'll start off doing that. Need me goggles. Okay. Looks like Shelby's done a runner on me. Okay. That's it. That's it, I think. Yep. That's it. Right, we're going to part him off. Just make sure that we're going to be right. Okay, what we have to do now, let's check how far down that is. Oh, we haven't done that. Oh well. Okay, I can get closer that way anyway. There we go. Less vibration. Alright, do that up in there. Okay, now down to that. Oh, there we go. Right. So we have about 10mm. So we can afford to come back to there. About there, I would say. Let's see what happens. Alright, this is always a bit dodgy. Well, not dodgy, it's always a bit hard doing this. It's pretty good. Okay, we'll leave it. That's what we've got. I think it'll do. It's not quite perfect, but it's only a locating pin and we can use these other ones anyway. Speaking of which, where did I put it? I'll put them both up here, I hope. Arr. We've lost one. I've put one down, I don't know where it is, as usual. Oh, hey, we're back here. And we've faced that up, so now we've got our third locating pinny thing, hopefully. So that's that done, there it is. So there we go. Like that there. That should work. Alright, now the offcut to that. Right, we've got it here. I was going to use the whole piece, but I don't think we will. I probably only need a piece, a little bit. Because this is just a locating thing, so it goes through straight. And in the, so we're using it as a center point for this wheel here, so that it goes through. I don't know if it needs to go, because there's some sort of plastic or nylon bush in there. And this seems alright. So maybe we'll just do a small one and give it a go and see what happens. What do you reckon, eh? I think that's what we'll do. Brilliant. We shall leave it at that. That there will be hot, which it is. Okay. Let's take that out of there. Clean rag. Here we go. I'll leave that there. We don't need this on anymore. I think we're probably pretty much done. Hot. Right, we need that to cool down. So we're going to put that on the end of that. So we put that drill back in here, wherever we put it. Get it? No, that's not it. Aha. This will go on here. Okay. Right, I left that little burr on there, hoping that it'll help keep it on there. Here we go. I think it will. Right, that'll go down in there, and then we'll drill it. But we need that to cool down a bit first, I think. It's a bit hot. So that's that, that's done. Put that back and pack up now, or at least in this part. Hey there, we're back. We've done the bushy thing. I've managed to get it in there, so we're going to see if we can cut that. We'll see how we go. I think that's not going to be good. The battery drills just don't like it. They do not like it at all. Okie dokie. What we might do is take it to the drill press and see if we can do it there. The battery drills don't like it. I did one at school as well. I did something at school, similar thing, and the battery drill didn't like it. Right. I think I'll leave that for this one. hopefully next time when I come back I'll be putting Jason's cart back together. I haven't done that yet. It's just been a bit, it's been a few wet days. It's been a bit cold and miserable because I have to work out the back. I don't want to bring it around here. It's just too much of a mucking around. I suppose I could though. If it rains again next week I might bring it in here. Try and put it together in here. It's on wheels, isn't it? So we're on that trolley, so we bring it around into here. Yeah, we could do that. Alright, this is old Bodger signing off. We will get this done though, I think. See what it looks like. I'm unsure of what it's going to look like. I'll give you another update later on. Maybe I'll show you how far we've got with the chassis. I'll take this GoPro to school this week and we can have a look. That sounds like a plan. Alright, this is Bodger. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.